Oh, dude. Oh my God. All right, I'm awake. That was fun. So if you guys have seen in movies and back in the day, people would be getting on motorcycles, 2, 3 of them, and they're just like going around circles on a wall, like this wall, like they're riding straight up and down. Freaking craziest thing to see. One guy even had like a go-kart literally riding around a wall. It's craziest. Look at it right here. We are now in the wall of death. You guys remember seeing these on movies? Hey, look at that. We got some old 30s and 40s, like Indian Scouts, and a go-kart. We could have Toad in here.